had a lot of requests for some shapewear. So today is the day, and I am going to show you what is underneath this blouse against my better judgment. But it's just a bunch of girlfriends hanging out, so why not? Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a few little things I'm going to share with you. And one of them is Honeylove. Honeylove is a shapewear company. They've reached out to me, sent me an item to try at no cost to me. So that was really nice. I'll tell you, I've had this item for a little while and I was hesitant. I really was hesitant, but I put it on. It is underneath this blouse. It is their, I want to make sure I have it right. It is their Liftware Cami. They have a lot of different products. They have, let's see, where are all my notes? They have briefs, they have tops, they have bras, they have a bodysuit, they have pants, and they have leggings. And I'll tell you, I've been nervous, really nervous to try this item and shapewear just in general, because I've tried one, it's been a long time ago, and I was just uncomfortable. All right, so I put this cami on, and I'll tell you what, it is really comfortable. I'm gonna show it to you, but I wanted to wear this silk blouse to show you what it looks like underneath a silk blouse. I am not sucking it in, ladies. This is me. Now, there is, it's not a miracle worker, let me tell you, but it is pretty darn close. So it has smoothed it out. I'm gonna show you a photo of this without the cami once I've tried everything else on. But I wanted you to see it here. With the blouse on, and I'm gonna show it to you. So let me take this blouse off. Here you go, ladies. Oh, I feel so exposed, but I love this cami. This is very comfortable. You wouldn't think that something that, the compression would be comfortable, but this is very, very comfortable. It is a wire-free bra, so you don't need to wear a bra with it. This has the built-in, it does have padding. It's very, very thin padding, and they are removable. If they make the girls a little perky, I say. Actually, it's more comfortable than my bra, let me tell you. It's double layer in the front and single layer in the back. It has the wider opening in the front and a deeper V in the back, and I'll show that to you. The straps are very comfortable and they are adjustable. Here we go. It smoothed out my belly. It smoothed out my love handles. And as I've walked through the house, it has not rode up. The side, yeah. This is a miracle, this thing, and it is comfortable, let me tell you. I love this. Okay, I am a size 34C, and originally they sent me a size small. I could not get that on. No, I tried to put it over my head, and I emailed them. They said, oh, try to pull it up over your hips. That wasn't working. My hips are just too wide for a size small. So they exchanged it, sent me a size medium, and that is what I'm wearing. And I had no problem putting on over my head. I don't think I tried it over my hips because I could get it over my head and get it on comfortably. So this is amazing. It is the Liftware Cami. Let's see. They are available in a size extra small to a size 3X. This cami, it's available in 8 colors. I do have a discount link for you. If you follow the link, you can get $20 off. And they are a little pricey. They're $84. But let me tell you, like I said, this is more comfortable than any bra that I own. Now I'm gonna wear it some more and see how it feels, but I'll tell you, after a couple hours, I didn't realize I had this on with this, tighter, firmer, whatever section here. So it's nice. It's really nice. Let's see, what else can I tell you? They have briefs. I don't know if I already told you this. They have tops, they have bras, they have pants and leggings, they have a bodysuit. Let me show you. Any issues you want to help take care of, any size you are, here you go, ladies. Take a look at their website. I will leave a link for you. And like I said, if you want to give them a try, $20 off your first, I don't know if it's your first item or your first order. Well, $20, because this is $84. But they also have, you know, like I said, they have other items that you could try. I love this. Have you guys used Honeylove? If you have, let me know and let me know what you think. Okay, so I'm going to show you. You can wear this just as a cami. So I brought this jacket down that I have because it has the pretty blues in it. So if we're going out and I just need a touch of color and I want that shapewear to hold me in, here you go. It's a really cute cami. Looks great. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what it looks like with a t-shirt that I bought. I actually have 4 t-shirts that I bought at Target because I was wondering, I'm like, you know, I've been getting these t-shirts, like the brand name Z Supply, and they're so thin and they're expensive. So I went to Target, I'm like, and Target has so many different types of t-shirts. So I'm like, what is the difference? And the ones that I have, 2 of them were $8, but since I bought 2, I got them for $7 when I bought them on sale. And then 2 of them are only $5. So I wanted to show you those. And I'm like, I don't want to pay $30, $40 for just a plain t-shirt to use for layering. So let me show you the t-shirts from Target. I'll be right back. Here's the first t-shirt that I got at Target for only $7. Regular price is $8. I am wearing more of, it's like a mustard color. I still have the cami on underneath, and you can tell the girls look like they're in the right place and smoothed out, not sucking it in. I like the length of the sleeves on this one. The crew neck, I actually like this crew neck on this one. The material, it's not just the regular, you know, flat material. It's got like some ribbing to it. So I hope that's coming through. Look at what the shapewear does for you. That's pretty good. I love it. Let's see, what is this? Regular price is $8. I paid $7 for this one. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna get some more of these. And let's see, did I tell you this is like a rust color? And I am wearing a medium. So let me show you the other. Oh, did I tell you the material? Material on this is 58% cotton, 39% modal, and 3% spandex. So see what's next. Okay, this one is also by A New Day. This one is only $5. As you can see, it is a V-neck. It is a lot thinner. It's really thin. I am wearing black. See how you can see through that? But it's only $5. I mean, that's regular price, $5. I mean, you know, you can get your money's worth out of $5. It's a really nice, it's a nice length. I still have the cami on. I'm telling you, this cami doesn't even feel like you're wearing anything. Like it just feels normal. I feel really good in it. Let's see, what else do I want to have? Oh, 60% cotton, 40% modal. No spandex in this. So $5. Let's see what's next. This is the same thing, except in a size medium. I was nervous because I'm afraid they're gonna shrink because 60% cotton, 40% modal, but for $5. So I'm thinking that I would go with a medium instead of a small, just so I could throw them in the dryer and not worry about it. Okay, the next one I'm going to show you is a different brand, so I'll be right back. Okay, so this one is by Universal Thread, and I can feel the difference in them already from the ones that are from A New Day. This one is thicker. I'm wearing a gray. I tried to find all black, but you can see it's not as thin as the other one. I mean, it's not real thick, and this one is regular $8, and I bought it on sale for $7. I am wearing a size medium. I just feel safer for that because this one is actually 100% cotton. And it is a little big, but for this time of year, it would be a layering piece. I'm not sure if I really want a V-neck. Maybe I would go back and get the crew neck, but it's a great length. I like that the sleeves lay. I don't like the tees where the sleeves are a little bigger and they kind of stick out. So I like that this lays, but I'll tell you, this one is my favorite. Here's the material a little bit closer. So I think I'm gonna get more of these in different colors of this one, but I do like a good V-neck, so I don't know, I might hang on to this. And I do have the cami on, which is keeping the girls in place, let me tell you. The girls are pretty happy today. So this is really cute. I have been wanting to get some tees and see what the heck is the difference with them at Target. I mean, there is a difference. All right, so I have this on. I'm gonna show you a jacket. Yes, a jacket. I know, I am a jacket girl. I was at Macy's the other day and I was just kind of looking around and this jacket caught my eye. And let me tell you, it is a deal. All right, before I show this to you, I'm gonna show you the jacket that I currently wear. I wear this jacket a lot more for, like I wear my denim jackets and that out when I'm going out or when the temperature is a little bit cooler than it is right now. So it's gotten colder. This is a jacket I've had probably about 4 or 5 years. And this is a Lululemon jacket that I bought at like a sale, like an kind of like an outlet sale. They were having like everybody that wanted to sell something could set up a booth and then you could go in and shop. It was a shopping something that they had. So I've had this for 4 or 5 years. This is more of my go-to jacket when I'm gonna go shopping, go to the grocery store, even when it's really cold because it's lightweight and I don't feel bulky because I'm always afraid if I wear a heavy coat that I'm gonna lose my handbag. And I could do a crossbody easier with this than I can with a bulky coat on. So even when it's freezing out, if I'm just gonna go shopping, I will probably put this on just because it's easier and it's a great length and it zips. It does have the thumb holes. I would wear this when I was walking, or no, this one doesn't, but the sleeves are really long that I've had to roll them up. It is machine washable. And I paid and it zips, but it puts weight on, so, and it has pockets. So it doesn't fit as well as it used to. I paid, I think, $110 for this on sale. So this is getting replaced with the new one that I just bought. Let me show you. Okay, ladies, this is lightweight. I bought a medium to give me a little more room. I did try it on with a sweater. I had a sweater on at the store and it fit great. So it gave me a little bit more room. This regular price was $129 and I paid $59.99. Yeah, $59.99 for this. This is Calvin Klein. They come in different colors. Zips up. It's like a, what do you call this? It's I think it's waterproof or water resistant, waterproof. Let me see. So it's got the one type of material here. The sleeves are more like this kind of feels silky. It's not real thick, but it's not real thin. And it comes down the side also. There are pockets on the side here. So if you have your cell phone, you could stick your cell phone in here It has the side pockets with the zipper here. Oops. Let's see, what else? Oh, it has the hood. The hood is not removable. It has the faux fur lining right here around the neck, which keeps you warm. It's longer, so it covers the bum. For those of us that like the thumb holes when we're walking, it's got thumb holes. $59.99, ladies. I love this jacket. It looks like you can tighten here for the hood. Let's see. Which I probably wouldn't do. It's not real easy. Doesn't feel like maybe you got to get it started. But anyways, I love it. And like I said, I am wearing a size medium. This is really, really nice. Yep. This is my new replacement for my other jacket. Okay. What do you guys think? That's it. I could not wait to show you guys this jacket and my Honeylove Cami. Oh my gosh, I love that cami. And then t-shirts. I can't pay $30 or $40 for a t-shirt just for the brand name. No way. I'm gonna go to Target and get my t-shirts. Okay, that's all I have. Want to share these with you. Everyone have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.